Thanks for joining us today on youmakebuttons.com. Today I'm going to show you how to lubricate your button machine. One thing you need when you make buttons is to have that real good crimp on the edge. Sometimes if you use the machine a lot over time, the crimp on the edge can get bubbly or not crimp as well. So my focus today will just show you how to correct that issue from happening. And what you're going to need is some kind of lubricant, but what we're going to recommend is mineral oil, which is a non-toxic lubricant. It is actually meant to drink to lubricate your intestines. That's why we recommend this, just because it is safe. So if someone drank it, nothing would happen. You'd be fine. And that's why we like this type of lubricant rather than like a typical silicone-based lubricant, because it's safe and that's what you want to use. So you can find something like this at any local pharmacy. This one I have happens to be from Walgreens. Pick up their brand, or any other pharmacy like CVS. What we want to focus on is the crimp die of the button machine. There's a certain location of the crimp die, and it's the part where you put the back into the button. So wherever the button edges touch the die is where we want to lubricate. So I'm going to do that really quick to show you. So you can just take something like a paper towel or a napkin, piece of toilet paper, cotton ball, anything like that, and then you just put your mineral oil on it. You can even use like a Q-tip. That could work too. And what you want to do is you want to just get some of that oil all in that die. I mean, you could even take like a Q-tip, put it on there. As long as oil's on there, then you just get it on there and wipe it away. You don't actually want to leave a layer of oil, because that oil is, it's liquid. It could, when your paper touches it, the paper will absorb it. It can get into the print of your buttons. So you want to actually wipe it away. And then once you do that, that's really all you need. It'll shine up the die, clean all the dirt out. It'll take care of all the crimping. So that's the main focus. That's the main thing you want to lubricate and keep up on lubricating. But you can use this to clean the whole machine. You can use it to, make everything shiny. I mean, it'll work on everything. Pretty much you can clean away all the dirt. Like these bearings, these wheels here, that's like the only other place there's a different lubricant used. Right where the bearings contact the metal, you can still put this lubricant there, but we recommend something thicker like a grease. Any typical machine grease. Lithium grease would work. Definitely. You may want to put that under your bearings if you can get that type, just because that's heavy contact metal there. That's just a better lubricant to use for that location. But everything else, yeah, wipe it down with the mineral oil. So this is basically like a basic type of lubrication and cleaning for your button machine that you want to just, do from time to time to keep everything fresh and looking good, and just taking care of the machine is normal maintenance. The advanced way to lubricate it would be if you actually returned the machine for us to clean and lubricate for you. We would actually take all the parts out and lubricate everything and put it all back together, but you don't have to go that far. But this will work on pretty much any part of the machine. And like I said, even under the bearings, even if you got nothing else to use, this works great just to keep it lubricated, and just so any metal that contacts any piece of metal, it'll just keep that location in good condition over time. So it's a good habit to get into. All the button forms quicker. There's no resistance of the material. So it just makes a better, shinier, just a better quality product in the end. That's how you lubricate your hand button machine. And this is the youmakebuttons.com 2 1/4 inch model that's here. You can get that on youmakebuttons.com. And we have parts and everything you need to make beautiful quality buttons. Thank you. Have a great day.